This piece of breaking news is with regards to the UCC. We are now learning that Muslim leaders across the entire country have issued a statement on the Uniform Civil Code. They have requested the government to abandon its plan to bring in the UCC. Leaders have said that they firmly reject the Uniform Civil Code. For more details, I'm joined in by Ananya Bhatnagar on the phone line. Ananya, important to talk about the fact that there is a conundrum now if whether these senior Muslim leaders, or even if we talk about the AIMPLB, which refuses to share its views with the Law Commission, what happens to plans of the UCC then?
Well, the Law Commission has already received over 19 lakh responses that we had last spoken to one of the members of, in fact, Law and by the last meeting, and the whole scenario comes down to 15th of July, when the last date of submitting suggestions is. We also accessed the in fact, the response that was filed by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board before, in fact, the 22nd Law Commission of India, clearly saying that, this is all against the Muslim. It is a political exercise that is being carried out. But definitely, it's not only one or two leaders that have given out this particular statement, but a lot of them, which includes, prominent organizations like the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, and also, in fact, the Darul Ulema Hind, and the Darul Uloom as well. So definitely, this is a big statement coming in from the Muslim leaders. But I think the Law Commission considering the part of all of these and would be taking this exercise, because remember, Law Commission is a statutory body headed by a former Karnataka High Court Chief Justice at this point of time. So definitely judicial mind would be applied, laws would be studied, and then only a decision would be taken. We saw how, in fact, the draft of Uttarakhand also has just been finalized a few days ago. So somewhere or the other, the Law Commission's exercise won't have much of a bearing with these responses coming in. However, there might be political war of words happening over it, but
and when you mention that political war of words, this has perhaps been the bone of contention for most Muslim leaders. Even if we are talking about the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, what they've had to say is that this is essentially a purely legal matter, which has now been reduced to fodder for politics.
Definitely, various not only Muslim leaders but also many of the political parties are alleging this, that this is a political exercise that is being carried out and has been reduced. The legal exercise has been reduced into this. But we'll still have to wait for the Law Commission to actually decide on it. And we've seen how, in fact, the ruling party also is having constant meetings. The Parliament Committee on Law and Justice is also holding meetings regularly with regards to, there is a clear chance. And in fact, Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani, who was speaking, clarified that, the BJP government would try to bring in for the terms. And so fireworks expected amidst the monsoon and, in fact, the winter session. Though, even if a draft Law Commission's report does not come out on that, but there can be questions from the Law Commission that could be asked during the Parliament. And it's to the Law Ministry as well.
But Ananya, my last question to you. We all are learning that the IMPLB has rejected Law Commission's proposal to seek views on UCC. What is the prime most challenge now at the hands of the Law Commission's proposals? Is it not to convince, say, a body like the AIMPLB to sort of be more accepting towards the UCC? All right, we seem to have lost that connection with Ananya Bhatnagar, but with